Do you want a rewarding hobby? How about growing pear trees? They offer beauty, delicious fruit, and numerous benefits. Let's explore why you should consider adding them to your garden. First, let's discuss the benefits. Pear trees are hardy and can thrive in many climates. They provide stunning flowers in spring and lush foliage in summer. And of course, you can enjoy fresh pears right at home. Now, let's look at the growing process step by step. Start by choosing the right variety. Popular types include Bartlett, Bosc, and Anjou. Each has unique flavors and characteristics. Next, select a sunny location for planting. Pear trees need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Once you've chosen a spot, prepare the soil. Clear away weeds and rocks and mix in compost for nutrients. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball. Place the tree in the hole and fill it gently with soil. Make sure it's firmly in place. After planting, water your pear tree deeply. This helps the roots establish. Continue watering regularly, especially during dry spells. Fertilize in early spring to promote growth. Next, let's discuss maintenance. Prune your tree each winter. This helps shape the tree and encourages healthy growth. Watch for pests and diseases and treat any issues early. A little attention goes a long way. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine picking fresh pears from your garden. You can enjoy them straight from the tree, in desserts, or even canned for winter. There's nothing quite like homegrown fruit. To summarize, growing pear trees is rewarding and beneficial. They beautify your garden, offer fresh fruit, and are largely low maintenance. Ready to start your pear tree journey? Visit your local nursery today. Choose a tree and begin planting. Enjoy the journey and the delicious rewards.